Wow, guys, it has been hot the last few days. We thought it would be a really good idea to talk about heat stroke. Heat stroke is a really serious condition that could quickly take over your dog's body and is often fatal if left untreated.
Some of the symptoms we commonly see in dogs in heat stroke are heavy panting, increased salivation or drooling, lethargy or lack of energy, vomiting and or diarrhea, very pink or red gums, a very high heart rate, and collapse. If you notice any of these symptoms when the weather is hotter, it is important to act quickly. Move your dog to a cool area, and using a fan can help. Provide them with fresh, cool water to drink and drench their body in cool but not cold water. The next step is to call your vet.
It's important to use cool but not cold water because cold water will make the blood vessels in your dog's skin constrict and the cooling will be much less effective.
Certain dogs are at higher risk than others. Brachycephalic breeds, or dogs with more squashed faces like English bulldogs, French bulldogs, pugs and shih tzus, geriatric dogs, or the elderly, and puppies, and dogs that are carrying too much weight or are obese. What do you do in the hot weather? First thing is to check the temperature outside before you take your dog for a walk.
When the outside temperature exceeds 25 degrees Celsius, extreme caution should be used in dogs of all types.
If you decide to take your dog out during the hot weather, there are a few things you can do to see how safe it is. Place the back of your hand on the flat ground for 7 seconds. If it's uncomfortable for you, it's uncomfortable for your dog. Bring plenty of water for your dog to drink and pour it regularly on their body to help them regulate their body temperature. Take lots of breaks in the shade and use accessories like a cooling mat or cooling jackets to help. Finally, never leave your dog unattended in a car.
We hope these tips have been helpful for you. Enjoy the sunshine, go get an ice cream, and have a great weekend from everyone at Vet in the City.